welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. I'm back with another vlog. So today we are visiting a different place. This is known as Mirik, a small hill station. If you want to relax and spend a lazy weekend here, it's very nice. Let me show you around. This place is called helipad area. From here you can see the hills, mountains, all the greenery. It's a beautiful, nice place. We are here to spend a lazy weekend because we are so tired with everything around. So we are here, just came here yesterday night. We are staying in Jagjit Hotel. It's good only. I will show you. And let's see what we can explore more. Look around. It's so pretty. I'm in Swiss Cottage. Renovation is going on. Soon it will be open for people. It's really beautiful. I think they will allow to stay like hotels and anything else. It's very beautiful. And it's very near to the Mirik Lake. You can just go within 5 to 10 minutes. You can reach the Mirik Lake. And the helipad spot is also nearby. It's a beautiful place. So the stone structures are really very nice. The house and everything. This is a Don Bosco church. So we are in Rangmang Tamakusi Park. It's one park over here. Let's see. This is basically a picnic spot. You can have picnic, bring your basket, your drinks and music and enjoy. तो हिल के थोड़ा ऊपर आ गए अभी. पीछे आप जो देख सकते हो वो ऑरेंज गार्डन है. तो अभी पता नहीं क्यों अलाउ नहीं कर रहे अंदर जाने के लिए. कुछ ऑरेंजेस है, देख सकते हैं. अगर ऑरेंज मिलता है तो मैं आपसे वीडियो शेयर करती हूँ. It's known as Thaipo or pig dumpling, you can see. For the first time trying it. Let's go. So I am in Sumendra Lake, or commonly known as Mirik Lake. Let me show you around. It's a big place. We have some boating facility also. Let's see. This is the park. Here you can wear these clothes and click some pics if you want. Some shops are here if you want to buy some winter goods. Let's have some ice cream. In this place, you can go for horse ride or boating. So my Medak trip ends here. It was a beautiful stay. Enjoyed the weekend. If you want to spend a small weekend or plan a trip for 2 days or 1 to 2 days, you can come. It's very relaxing. I stayed in this Jagjit hotel. It's very good. It's just 5 minutes away from the Medak Lake. So do visit. It was a nice experience. If you like the video, you know the drill. Hit the like button, share with the family and friends. Check out the pictures in Instagram. And please do subscribe to my channel.